You know that kind of craving you just can't ignore? Alam mo yung hindi ka naman gutom, tapos may nag-post ng sinigang sa GC at bigla mo lang na-crave out of nowhere. Hindi na ako nakapag-isip. As in, ordered agad, bahala na sa shipping kahit malayo. So here it is. Syempre, andyan na ang kanin, sinigang, patis at kalamansi. Craving hits hard. Hindi pwede bukas, hindi pwede mamaya. Ngayon na, as in, now na talaga. Look at that! Asim? Check. Amoy pa lang? Check. Lutong bahay feels? Check na check. Minsan, hindi lang talaga siya gutom eh. It's deeper than that. It's homesickness. It's a craving for something familiar. Something na magpapaalala sa'yo ng bahay kahit malayo ka sa Pinas. This is your sign, huwag pigilan ang cravings. Kung sinigang yan, go mo na. Deserve mo the best. Yung lutong bahay feels 10 out of 10. Thank you, Sal, for choosing comfort today. Ang daming ganap, ang daming pagod, but now, craving satisfied. Because sometimes it's not just food, it's comfort, it's home. And today, you deserve both. Sabi ko nga, diet na bukas. But ngayon, let's just enjoy. Kasi moments like this, hindi mo dapat palampasin. So, habang kumakain, enjoy mo na din yung piece ng food na to. At ngayon, super busog na ako. Thanks for watching! Hanggang sa next craving adventure natin!